Introducing Synergist, an agency management system designed and configured by Express Systems. Implemented in over 250 agencies worldwide, Synergist will revolutionise the way your business operates. There are two main levels to Synergist. The first level is an application-based license with easy-to-navigate menus. This level is for individuals who need full access to the system, such as an account handler or a member of the finance team. The first level is what you see in front of you now. I will be showing you the second level later. Let's start with our simple and straightforward toolbar to the left, which is labelled clearly. As you can see, the systems are broken down into clients, expenditure, time, expenses, sales, marketing, and reports. Providing a client with a detailed quotation is common practice in today's competitive market. With the easy-to-use opportunities menu, Synergist will allow you to track all current opportunities, assign a value, and the expected close date. In this page, it shows you how many opportunities are being pitched with detailed information: the job number, the client, who the account handler is, the description of the job, the percentage chance the job will come off, the job value, and finally, the total value of work that is being pitched for your company, providing a superior method of business forecasting. By going into the quote, it shows the description of the job, what type of job it is, and who your contact is. Synergist also has a full CRM system, so by clicking on the mirror, it will give your clients full contact details, name, number, and their position within the company. Within the quote, Synergist will tell you when the sale is due to be closed, when the job is due to start, and when the job needs to be completed. In this example, we have broken the client's brief down into 3 components and estimated the number of hours and purchases that are needed to successfully deliver this brief. We can also take into account any in-house materials that will be used or personal expenses that might be required. A billing forecast can also apply at this stage, so that your planned billing for both live and planned work is visible. Within Synergist, there is a full purchase management system. A PDF of the quote can be sent to the client, and once the client has approved the quotation and agreed to proceed with the brief, the opportunity is then promoted to a live job and is removed from the new business forecast. To ensure the company is making a profit, the financial page will show gross margin and net margin of each job, which is vital information for any business. In the live job section, it will give you all the vital information you need to keep track of work within the business. The different columns show the client name, account handler, description of the job, and when the job is due. Synergist will also show your actual hours to estimated hours, which enables you to monitor the progression of any job. Another great feature of Synergist is the drag and drop scheduling, which will give the studio manager crystal clear visibility on the capacity of the agency. Easy to understand colour coding will quickly alert any under or over resource allocation. Allocating work to your team is also easy. Simply drag and drop the estimated hours onto one or however many of your team members in any time frame that you like. At the bottom of the screen you will see the work booked. You can literally pick up the hours, drop into the member of staff's diary, and it will automatically calculate the hours remaining for your team member. In the beginning of this tour I mentioned the second level on Synergist. The second level is browser-based. This is for individuals that require just the basic functions, such as time and expense recording. Each user will have their own permissions assigned to them depending on their role within the agency. This way, time recording is simplified, as each person will have the job and the required hours are visible in his or her web diary. This is where they can see what has been allocated for a day, week, or a month. Synergist's accurate time recording will be sure to help improve the profitability of your agency. It's precise and simple to use, either by entering the time manually here, you can also add notes, or by using the stop clock. Add the time, post the job, the manager of the business approves all the timesheets, and then the calculated hours will be fed into the system. The next stage of any work is to make sure the invoice is sent out. By going into the job details, then into the financials, you can create your invoice. As everything is recorded along the way, the straightforward way of invoicing within Synergist will help you send your invoices more quickly, helping with cash flow. Some businesses feel happier to have an approval system, while you have the choice with Synergist. Once you're happy with the invoice, it can be emailed to the client. Synergist comprehensive reporting will help you grow your business, as you will know how well the company is performing. Here are some examples of just a tiny part of Synergist reporting. This is a staff analysis report showing total number of hours per person, the cost to the business, what was charged, and what the utilisation rate was. This next report is job profitability. In Synergist, you will be able to manage your business in a different way, as you will have the tools to really know how the business is growing and where your weaknesses might be. Thank you for taking the time to look at Synergist. This is a very quick overview of the key areas, but if you would like to find out more, just book a demonstration. It's free of charge. Express Systems will come out and analyse your business and find the right solution for you.